All right, here's a couple of good questions. First one says, what's the pH of a 3.6 molar solution of perchloric acid? So perchloric acid, HClO4, in water dissociates to hydrogen ions and perchlorate ions. And for one of those, you get one of those. So the concentration of HClO4 is the same as the concentration of hydrogen ions. So to figure out the pH, it'll be negative log of the hydrogen ion concentration, or the negative log of 3.6. And when you do that, it comes out to negative 0.56. Now, pHs, we typically don't use a negative number, so it's from 0 to 14. So I'd probably just say the pH of that is 0. Now, if they would have asked for the pOH, then I'd have gone 14 minus whatever I got from my pH. So in this question, it looks like you were marked wrong, but that is indeed the correct answer. Okay. All right, in this next question, this says solid calcium hydroxide dissolved in water until the pH of the solution is 10.81. The hydroxide ion concentration of the solution is, okay, so here we have to be careful because calcium hydroxide is CaOH2. So when I dissociate that, you get calcium ions, but you also get 2 hydroxide ions. And that 2 is going to make a difference. So the pH comes out to 10.81. Okay, so if they give us the pH, then I can use the pH to find the hydrogen ion concentration. Oh no, let's not do that. I can do that, but it's easier just to find the pOH. So the pOH is 14 minus what the pH is. So 14 minus 10.81 is going to be 3.19, 13.19. No, 3. I should stop trying to do things in my head. 3.19. Yeah, that's right. So the pOH of the solution is 3.19. And then, but they want to know what the hydroxide ion concentration is. And I guess really with this question, I may not need to know that because this is going to give me the hydroxide ion concentration directly using this formula. The hydroxide ion concentration is equal to 10 to the minus pOH. So on my calculator, 10 to the minus 3.19. Okay, calculator. 10 to the minus 3.19. And I come up with 6.46 times 10 to the minus 4. Okay, 6.46 times 10 to the minus 4. That is my concentration of hydroxide ions. I'm not sure where they came up with that answer, because that's incorrect. Has to be this answer. All right. I don't know if that helps you with those questions, other than confirm that what you were doing was correct.